Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to write a code for doubly linked list, that how we implement doubly linked list in Python. In my previous video, I wrote a code for singly linked list as we are familiar with the singly linked list, which contains the node and it moves from in a backward direction. So in singly linked list, each node contains only two things, you can say. One is the data and other is the address of a next node. But as a doubly linked list, it is a special type of linked list. Here, as I write it in this comment section, that each with with it's a type of a linked list in which each node contains a pointer to the previous node as well as the next node of a linked list. So basically, the doubly linked list, in doubly linked list, we move forward as well as in reverse direction. So when we want to traverse in a backward direction, we need the pointer of a previous node. So it will definitely contain the address of a next node as well as the address of a previous node. So I'll start with the class node. I'll start with this class node, and the method def init method is used to initialize the doubly linked list self comma data. Now we will say self dot item is equals to data. It means we are calling the data. Self dot next is equals to none. Self dot previous is equals to none. Initially, we are saying that there is only one linked list which contains the data, and there is no other. There is no link to next node, and there is no link to the previous node. So we only contain the linked list, which we have the current linked list. So now we will make a class for doubly linked list. So class doubly linked list. Now what we will do, we will say that the initial node, for we are just assuming that there is no other node and there is no node in this linked list. So we will say that self dot start node is equals to none. And now we will insert an element to empty list, because we are saying that there is no node. So we will have to insert an element to the list. So for inserting an element to the list, we will have to make a method def. Okay, I think def insert. We are inserting insert to empty list, because we are saying that the list is empty. So we will have to insert an element to the empty list. It must contain some data, and we are saying that if self dot start node is none, we are saying that if there is no node, and means that if there is no node means that the list is empty. We are saying that new node is equals to node. We are adding some element, means that we added some data to our node, so it will become the new node. Understand? Like we added some data to our node and that node will become the new node. Now self dot start self dot start node is equals to new. Now the start node will become the new node because we added some data to this node, so the start node will become a new node now. Else we are saying that print the list is empty. If you are not going to add some data, in this case you are adding some data, otherwise you will just print that yes, the list is empty. You are not going to insert anything in the list. So we are now we will make some different methods for inserting an element at the end of a list, at the start of a list, at the middle of a list. Here we inserted the element to the empty list. So we will make another method for inserting an element to the end of our list.